show you some of the tiny little streets here in Grado. We just arrived here. It's just 12:30 noontime. I love these little Italian towns. Beautiful interlocked street pattern. Nice little tavern in there. And definitely no road traffic in here, that's for sure. Peek in there. There's another little street down in this direction. Some underwear for you. Let's see. Just following the locals right here. Nice little walk through the narrow alleyways of Grado in northern Italy. Restaurants, people ready to eat. Let's see where we're going to come out here. Well, I think we're coming out at the back of the church, if I'm not totally mistaken here. Oh, here's a little chapel anyway. Let's see. Oh, right. Oh, here's the church. Look at that. 12:30. Yep. Yep. There we go. This is the main square, the historic square of Grado.